Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. And in this video, I will show you how to copy parts of the image in Photoshop. So let's open our Photoshop app. And as you can see, there's an image here, but I want to really select a small part of this photo. How can I do it? Well, first, if you look under the layer, you will see a padlock icon. Make sure to click on it and unlock your layer. Another thing, you have to make sure that your layer isn't converted to smart object. If you see your layer like this, then make sure to right click on it and then click on rasterize layer. Now there are two tools that you can use to copy parts of your image. The first one is the marquee tools. Yes, it's a set of tools like rectangular tool and elliptical tool. You can select any of those, select a part of the image, then hit Ctrl C, then Ctrl D to deselect the part, and then if you click Ctrl V, the part of the image gets copied as a new layer. Another one is select the lasso tools, either the lasso tool or the polygonal lasso tool. It's the same thing. Select the part, hit Ctrl C, Ctrl D, and then Ctrl V. That part gets copied. And the difference is that lasso tools gives you more of a freedom of what kind of shape you want than the marquee tools, which is just a set shape. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.